You are paying $29 a month just to record your screen? There is a better way, and it's completely free. Meet OpenScreen, the open source screen recorder that exploded on GitHub with over 26,000 stars. $0, zero subscriptions, zero watermarks forever. Record any window or your full screen, then watch as OpenScreen's automatic zoom glides right into the action, beautifully, smoothly, with mic and system audio captured in perfect sync. Then edit like an absolute pro. Drop in text, arrows, annotations, trim the boring parts, speed up or slow down any segment, and choose from gorgeous backgrounds that make your demo pop. Screen Studio, $29 every month. OpenScreen, $0. MIT license, commercial use, open source, modify it, distribute it. The choice is obvious. Download one file, run it on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Setup takes seconds. One quick command on Mac, and you are recording. Version 1.3 is here. Webcam picture-in-picture, full undo-redo, Spanish, English, and Chinese localization, plus transparent backgrounds. And this keeps getting better. 26,000 developers already agree. Fork it, use it, share it. Head to openscreen.versal.app and start creating stunning demos for free today and forever.